this is our demo video for our app. Um, so this is the app. This is our main.dart file, and this is the way the app appears when you click on sign in. We also have a register page, which is where you can sign up with Google or you can sign up with your email. And but right now I'm just gonna log in. So this is to log in as the admin. So you put in your email and you put in your password, which is supposed to be 6 characters or more. And then as an admin, you can see schools that have paid for their information to be put on our app, which is, we plan to market it as a form of advertisement for these schools, which is the way we will be monetizing this app. And you can also see the registered schools, and you can add or delete schools from here. I'm gonna add a school called Kabuga 1. What's that? Right. Admissions are closed for now. It's in Kigali. I'll say it's a public school. You can put in a longer description, which is what we will be doing when we're actually operating the app and not just doing a demo for it. But this is basically just to show what happens when you add a new school. So now that I've added the school, you can see it here on our list of schools. So far we have 7 schools listed. And now I'm gonna log out so I can sign in as a user. So that was basically the admin dashboard. A user can log in like this. And when you add information, it shows up here in our Firestore database. So I'm going to show the school that I just added, which is supposed to be Kabuga 1, not wrong. We also have a database for users and reviews. Yeah, so this is the school that I just added. You can see the timestamp. It was a minute ago. And we also have one for users where you can see this is an example of a user. We have their email, their name, and the user ID, the role, and the date it was created. And we have authentication here. I have 2 sign-in methods. There is a regular email sign-in with a password, and there's also a Google sign-in, as well as a Google sign-up. And this is the list of test users that we have. Right, so this is back to the user dashboard. You can see that for some schools there is no image because I didn't add an image while I was creating the new school, and other schools have images on them. And when you click on overview, that's where you're going to see the full list of schools. And when you click view, you can see the description of the school. It can be longer. It's just that I just wrote a short description just to show what happens when you add the description to the school. And we also have a chat section with frequently asked questions about schools and applications. And also this is a help section with chats and emails, and this is the profile page for a user. It looks the same for an admin, so there's nothing different. You can add a phone number, your gender, your date of birth, or change your username. And that's all we have for our app. Thank you for watching.